Introducing the latest case from PCCOOLER, the C3 M500, an ATX 3-sided panoramic case with a dual chamber, a clean, spacious interior, and a modern design made for those looking to easily showcase their creations. The side metal panel comes with ventilation for both the case and PSU, although it does not include a dust filter. At the bottom, the case comes equipped with a removable dust filter that can be easily accessed. The C3 M500 supports ATX, Micro ATX, and ITX motherboards, with clearance for GPUs up to 400 millimeters long. And for CPU cooling, there's support for 360 radiators or air coolers up to 157 millimeters. Power supplies up to 200 millimeters in length can be installed. Cooling is handled by the GT360 AIO from PCCOOLER, featuring a 360mm radiator and a 3.5-inch detachable screen for system monitoring and customization. And to match the overall airflow setup, the AIO will be equipped with F7 X120 fans. For the bottom intake, we'll be using the reverse blade F7 X120 fan pack, while the included fan hub helps simplify cable management. Plus, the built-in speed controller allows users to adjust the maximum fan speed from 1500 up to 3000 RPM. Power will be supplied by PCCOOLER's KN850, an 850-watt 80+ gold certified ATX power supply, featuring an intelligent temperature-controlled fan that adjusts RPM based on system load. For graphics, we'll be using the Sapphire NITRO 16GB GPU, known for its aggressive cooling design and premium aesthetics. The PCCOOLER C3 M500 delivers a clean balance between panoramic aesthetics and full ATX hardware support, all while maintaining a modern footprint. Combined with the GT360 AIO setup, the build came together as a very clean-looking system with a true showcase-style appearance. And if you're into more compact and portable systems, make sure to check out our Deepcool CH160 Plus build video, where we take a very different approach with a much smaller form factor while still fitting some seriously powerful hardware inside.